Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Playing Guitar, myself Varun. So in this video I am going to do a tutorial for a Tamil film named Saguni. The song is Manasellam Malaye. So I hope you can learn from this video, so keep on learning. So first of all, let me tell you about the notes of this song. The root of the song will contain second string, 5th fret note, which is actually E, and F sharp, which is second string, 7th fret. So second string, 5th fret, which is E, second string, 7th fret, which is actually F sharp, and this is G sharp, which is 9th fret, that is G sharp, and 10th fret, that is A, and 12th fret, which is B. All these notes are in second string. And about first string, this note is coming. First string, 9th fret is C sharp, 10th fret is D, 12th fret is E, and 14th fret is also F sharp, which is already mentioned here. The root will contain F sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. So E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D, E, and again F sharp, G sharp, A. This is the root. So note will start at the first string, 12th fret, E and F sharp. So E, F sharp, E, F sharp. That is Manasellam. So Made is 4 notes are coming in Made. That is C sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp. So C sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp. So Made will be like Made. We are striking it C sharp, E, F sharp, and after striking F sharp, pluck the finger towards G sharp. So it will be like and again the same note. You can also apply like this. Manasellam. And again you can play like this. That is striking E and moving towards this note, which is C sharp. So E, F sharp, E, F sharp, again E and moving towards C sharp. And next is Made. That is C sharp, E, F sharp and moving towards G sharp. That is the starting part, and next one is 4 times we are playing this note. the notes are second string, 12th and 14th fret. That is B and C sharp. Here also you can play, this is B, B and C sharp, that is so you can play like in the first string also, but I think this is more convenient to play at the second string because notes are available in a single frets. So we are playing in 12th and 14th fret. And this is, the notes are actually 12th and 14th fret of second string, that is B and C sharp. So initially we are playing at C sharp, then B, again C sharp, B. So that is C sharp, B, C sharp, B, C sharp. 4 times we are playing that. And stopping at B. So we are applying plucking style here. So this is also coming. After 4 times we are playing this. So this note is actually B and this is A. So B, A, B, G sharp. B, A, B, G sharp. Second string, 12th fret, 10th fret, again 12th fret and 9th fret. So together if you play, it will be like. And next is, after playing this note, so this is V Re. The notes are E, F sharp, G sharp. And next to it is, and that is F sharp, G sharp, B. So F sharp, G sharp, B, A, B. So apply plucking style here. The notes are F sharp, G sharp, B, A, B. Okay, so here is actually not just note this one. It is not F sharp, G sharp, A. Sorry, it is not E, F sharp, G sharp. Rather than that, it is actually F sharp, E, G sharp. A small correction. F sharp, E, G sharp. So so striking at F sharp, moving towards E, then moving towards G sharp. And next to it is and again we are playing the same thing. and the last part. So 3 times we are playing these notes. The notes are F sharp, E, C sharp and G sharp. So F sharp, 3 times F sharp and E F sharp. So 3 times F sharp, again E, then again F sharp. And again E F sharp, then E C sharp. So watch carefully. So the notes are F sharp, E, F sharp, E and back to C sharp. These many times, 3 times we are playing at F sharp. So playing in a fast manner. In a day is so that is C sharp, E, G sharp, C sharp, C sharp, E and G sharp. And again after that 3 times we are playing this note and then back to E, C sharp, B, A, G sharp. So that is E, C sharp, B, A and G sharp. These notes are coming. So coming to the last part, which is so the notes are this is F sharp, E, sorry, this is C sharp, second string, 14th fret C sharp, first string, 12th fret C, sorry, E. So C sharp, E, F sharp, not F sharp, instead of F sharp we are playing a G sharp. So C sharp, E, G sharp and then F sharp, G. And this is B, A sharp, B, A. This is the note. B, A, B. We are playing it. So B, A, B, G sharp. B, A, B, A sharp. And then E, E, F sharp. So if you play it together, it will be like and again so rest of thing we already learned. I hope you can learn from my video. So keep on learning.